Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys a new method to get unlimited Tinder Gold. I'm talking years and years of Tinder Gold. So I'm going to open it up right here, and as you can see, it kind of looks like the normal Tinder app. But when I go here to buy Tinder Gold, as you can see, for 1 week, it's going to be $18, guys, which is not for me. But down here, I'm going to press continue. I'm going to go to pay. And as you can see, a payment option for me is developer account. So I'm going to choose that, press continue, and then it's going to basically make me a Tinder Gold member. And then I'm going to show you how to get this app, which gives you free Tinder Gold. It's a modded app. So let's give it a second for this to load. As you can see, and you can see it says Tinder Gold activated. So now we have all the settings: skip the line, rewind last swipe, 5 super likes a day, 99 boosts, all this stuff. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you how to get Tinder Gold. So go to matrixmods.com, look for Tinder, press on it. This is the mod, you can see right there. Press download. And now the last thing we're going to do is the verification. So we need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, so make sure you do 2 of them, guys, and then you'll get Tinder Gold for free. So peace out, hope you enjoyed. But yeah, as you can see, guys, it's going to show us all these apps. So you just want to download 2 of the apps. So you can see we got like Lucky Match. This one says download and reach level 13. So it's a game. So I just have to play it till I'm level 13. And then we've got Travel Town. This one says reach level 9. So I just press continue. I already did this one. But like that's not very hard, reaching level 9. Like it's just a game. So yeah, make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. But that's how to get free Tinder Gold 2026, guys. So it's super cool. So just like play through it. And I mean, if you go to settings, do make sure the background refresh is on. But other than that, you should be good to go. So that's how to get Tinder Gold for free. So all the settings are here: 99 boosts, 99 super likes, rewind last swipe, passport to any location, balanced recommendations, hide ads is obviously pretty crucial here. But yeah, I'm not really involved in Tinder. Like, I think it's kind of silly they make you pay. But now that I'm able to get Tinder Gold for free, I mean, this is crazy. So yeah, just make sure you got the background refresh on. Another thing is make sure you have low power mode off. But other than that, guys, you should be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but that's how to get Tinder Gold for free. So yeah, it's super insane, guys. So if you ever wanted Tinder Gold for free, or you thought about it, well, now you know how to get it. So as you can see, it says this funds the project. So that's how they keep the server alive. They make you download these games, so that's not too bad. But yeah, there's another video you can watch here if you're really confused. But that's how to get Tinder Gold for free, guys. So as you can see, all the settings, balanced recommendations, hide ads, it's all here, guys. So if you're depressed because you don't afford Tinder Gold, now you can literally unlock all the settings, everything for free. So it's super cool. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you want to get Tinder Gold without paying, this is the only method I found that's real. There are some other videos that tell you about codes, but they're fake.